Long ago in rural Jamaica, when villages were small and everyone knew each other, people believed there was a strange way to catch a thief. The Bible and key test. One evening, in a quiet district near the hills, a farmer named Samuel discovered that his small bag of silver coins had vanished from his wooden chest. The house had only a few visitors that day, neighbors who had come by to help him mend a fence. Samuel suspected one of them had taken the money, but in those days accusing someone without proof could start a feud. So the elders of the village gathered and decided to perform the old test of the Bible and the key. They brought out a heavy family Bible and an old iron key from Samuel's door. The key was placed between the pages of the Bible, between the book of Ruth and Judges, and the Bible was tied shut with a string. Two men held the Bible by the tips of their fingers, while the others stood in a circle inside the dim candlelight. One elder began to call the names of everyone who had visited the house that day. Nothing happened when the first name was spoken. Nothing happened when the second name was called. But when the elder spoke, the name Ezekiel, the Bible slowly twisted and dropped from their fingers, slamming onto the wooden floor. The room fell silent. Ezekiel's face turned pale as moonlight. Before anyone even said a word, he began to tremble and confessed. He had taken the coins out of desperation, but never meant to keep them long. From that night on, people whispered about the mysterious power of the Bible and key. Some said it was God revealing the truth, while others believed spirits were guiding the book. Even today in parts of Jamaica, older folks still tell the story and warn if you thief and them bring out the Bible and key. Truth soon find ya. Because in the old days, they believed no thief could hide when the Bible itself decided to speak.